everyone, welcome to day 131 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the arcade stitch. So this stitch is crocheted on a foundation row, which is a multiple of 6. So let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So the stitch multiple is multiple of 6 plus 1, and we need 1 for the turning chain. So in total I have 26 stitches. Okay, so the first row is like the setup row, it's not part of the repeat. So let's start off with row 1, where you place 1 single crochet. Just going to 1, 2. You place 1 single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and 1 single crochet into the next chain as well. So far we have done 2 single crochet stitches. Okay. Now you have to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 and make 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 1 single crochet. Again two more single crochet into the next. So chain 3, skip 3 and make 3 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Okay, and now you are going to repeat this until we only have 5 chains. Chain 3, skip 3, again chain 3, skip 3 and make 3 single crochet stitches. I think we have 5 stitches left. Let me just check if I've got the foundation row right. Chain 3, skip 3. Yeah, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 stitches remaining. Now again chain 3, skip 3 and into the last single crochet, last 2 single crochet stitches, you are going to make 2 single crochets. Okay, if you have a longer chain, you just have to do this till you have 5 stitches left, and the first and the last stitch, it starts with 2 single crochets. Now for the row 2, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, 1 single crochet into the first stitch, then skip 1 single crochet and 7 double crochet into the chain 3 space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 into the chain 3 space. Then you skip the first single crochet and into the next one you're going to place 1 single crochet. Okay, again you're going to do this on all the stitches. That is, into each of the chain 3 space we are going to make 7 double crochet stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Skip one single crochet. Into the next one you're going to make one single crochet. Again you're going to make 7 double crochet stitches. Six and 7. Okay, now again skip one single crochet. Into the next one you're going to make one single crochet, and again directly go into this chain space here. This is the last one where you will again crochet 7 double crochet stitches, and you will place your single crochet onto the last single crochet from the previous row. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, so now here we have 2 single crochets. You just skip one and place one single crochet into this stitch. Okay, so after completing row 2, your work should look something like this. So this row is a repeat row which you will be doing after the next row. Now, so the second repeat row, that is row 3, we are going to chain 3, which counts as 1 double crochet and a chain 1. Now turn your work, skip the very first stitch, and into the next 2 stitches you are going to make so now we skip this first stitch because this counts as 1. Okay, just I think I made one single crochet in the last stitch. Okay, so chain 3, and this chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet and a chain 1. So you add one more chain, that is chain 4. Now this first stitch is counted occupied because we have these chains here. After this first stitch, you're going to skip 2 stitches. Now into the third stitch we are going to place one single crochet, and again in the next 2 stitches. Okay, so this here we have created a chain space. Now again we chain 3, 1 2 3, and you skip the next 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, and you make one single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Okay, basically we are creating the foundation row again here. Okay, creating the chain spaces for the arcade stitches. Again chain 3, skip 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Again chain 3. Oh sorry, you have to do 3 single crochets. Again chain 3, skip 5. make 3 single crochets. Okay, so you have to continue doing this until you have only 3 stitches left. Okay, now you just chain 1, skip the 2 stitches and place 1 double crochet into the last stitch. Okay, so basically we started off with a double crochet and chain 1, and we ended with a chain 1 and a double crochet. Now you're going to make the next row where we'll be making the arcade stitches again. So chain 2, turn your work, so into this space right here you'll be making 4 double crochet stitches. Okay, so this counts as a half fan. Now skip 1 stitch, and into the next one you're going to make 1 single crochet, and into these spaces we'll be making the full fan or the full arcade stitches, that is 7 double crochet stitches. Okay, again in the 3 single crochets from the previous row you skip 1 single crochet on top of the next stitch, again make the next arcade stitch, that is 7 double crochet stitches. So this is our third repeat row. So row 2 is a repeat row, row 3 is a repeat row, and row 4 is also a repeat row. So 1 2 3 4 5 7. Again skip 1, make 1 single crochet here, again make 7 double crochet stitches, okay. Again make 1 stitch here. Now we are at the last chain space where you just do 4 double crochet stitches, which is a half shell. Okay, so your work should look something like this. Okay, now we are moving on to row 5 where chain 1, turn your work, make 1 single crochet into the first stitch, make 1 single crochet into the next stitch as well. Okay, so this is like the third row, okay, where we make the chains. Chain 3, skip 5 stitches, and 1 2 3 4 5, and make 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. So from now on it's basically the repeat row of row 3, row 3, then row 2, and then row 5. Okay, so basically you just have to create a shell and then a chain row. In the shell row you'll be alternating with the one that starts with half shell and the one that starts with a full shell. Okay, again chain 3, skip 5, and into the next 3 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, into the next 3 chains you'll be making 1 single crochet into each, again chain 3, skip 5, and into the next 3 stitches you're going to make 1 single crochet into each. Okay, again chain 3, and here we are at the last part of the stitch, where you again repeat the same thing, making 1 single crochet into the last 3 stitches. Okay, now we are set for the next row, where you will just repeat the row 2 and row 4. So row 2, row 2 is where we start off with the chain 1, turn your work and make 1 single crochet, and then you skip these stitches and make 7 stitches into this chain spaces. Again then you do the chain row, and then again you make the half shell row. So from here on it's just the repeat row. Do try out this stitch, and if you have any doubts please leave it in the comment section, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting